Yes, guys, I know, I'm sorry, I didn't do Maddening Mondays yesterday. And I know that's a pretty big deal. And that it upset a lot of you. Okay, I get it. But it's finals time coming up, which means that I have 1,000,000,005 things due. But I mean, here's a picture of a really cute kitten. And here's a picture of a really not cute kitten. Doesn't that make it better? And here's my friend Phil, who's more than willing to give you a tour of his bedroom.
Hello there.
Doesn't he make it better? And here's a picture of what Nicki Minaj wore to the AMAs. Yeah, I know, that definitely does not make it better. Anyway, I apologize for not maddening your Mondays, but allow me to quote Max Ernst.